SanDisk 1TB Extreme Portable SSD. This product review is Amazon Associate Commissions Earned. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description. If you want to see more reviews like this, remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Feel free to like and comment. Overview. The SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD 1TB is a palm-size, rugged, NVMe-based USB-C drive aimed at creators, travelers, and anyone who needs fast, reliable external storage. It's known for strong, real-world speeds, a tough rubberized shell, and broad device compatibility. Key features. Interface and speed rating. USB 3.2 Gen 2, 10 gigabits per second. Advertised up to 1,050 megabytes per second read and 1,000 megabytes per second write. Form factor: compact, grippy silicone exterior with an integrated carabiner loop, pocketable and cable-friendly. Ruggedization: IP55 water dust resistance, drop protection up to 2 meters, and shock resistance, built for travel and field work. Security: hardware-based 256-bit AES encryption with password protection via the companion app. Compatibility: works with Windows/Mac OS/Android/Chrome OS, game consoles that support USB storage, and cameras/recorders that accept exFAT USB drives. Ships exFAT formatted for cross-platform use. In the box, USB-C to USB-C cable, often with a USB-A adapter, depending on region retail unit. Performance: sequential transfers. On a proper USB 3.2 Gen 2 port, expect 900 to 1,050 megabytes per second reads and 800 to 1,000 megabytes per second writes in sustained short bursts. Excellent for large photo libraries, project files, and quick media offloads. SLC cache behavior. Like most portable NVMe SSDs, it uses a dynamic SLC cache. Very large continuous writes, example, copying hundreds of gigabytes in one shot, may drop to lower sustained speeds once the cache is exhausted. For typical creator workflows, offloading a card, moving a few projects at a time, it remains brisk. Thermals: the rubberized shell helps with heat dissipation. The drive can feel warm during long transfers, but throttling is generally modest on Gen 2 workloads. Latency: random I/O, much faster than hard drives for app launches and small files, but not a substitute for an internal PCIe SSD as a primary scratch system disk. It's great for portable project folders and preview editing, with heavy 4K multicam workflows better served by a higher-end or Thunderbolt drive. Reliability and durability notes. Rugged build. The IP55 rating and drop protection make it suitable for backpacks, field shoots, and travel. Firmware awareness. Past production runs of certain SanDisk Extreme Pro units, primarily larger capacities, had data integrity issues that were addressed with firmware updates. With any portable SSD, this one included, best practice is to immediately check for and apply the latest firmware, enable encryption only after updating, and keep regular backups. Data safety practices: use a short, certified USB-C cable. Avoid disconnects during writes, and periodically health check with your OS's disk utility. Software and ease of use. Plug and play, ready out of the box in exFAT. Reformat to APFS NTFS if you want platform-specific features like time machine snapshots or Windows compression. Security app. The included utility makes enabling password protection straightforward. Portability. Light, pocketable, and the loop makes it easy to clip to a bag or lanyard. The grippy finish resists slips and scuffs. Value for money. Price positioning. The 1TB model typically sits in the mid-range of portable SSD pricing and is frequently discounted. Given its speed class, 10 gigabits per second, ruggedization, and brand support, it offers strong value, especially on sale. Alternatives to consider: if you need higher sustained performance for very large continuous writes or live editing of heavy codecs, step up to a 20 gigabit per second USB 3.2 Gen 2 x 2 model or a Thunderbolt 3x4 portable SSD with the right host port. If budget is tight and speed matters less, slower SATA-based portables can save money. Who it's best for: photographers and videographers, fast ingest from cards, portable Lightroom Premiere libraries, and on-site backups. Students and professionals on the go, project files, virtual machines, and large datasets in a pocketable form. Travelers, rugged, water, dust-resistant storage that won't slow you down at the airport or in the field. Bottom line, the SanDisk 1 TB Extreme Portable SSD hits a sweet spot. Fast enough for most creator and professional workflows, tough enough for travel, and priced well, especially during sales. If your work involves very large, continuous writes, or you demand top-tier sustained performance, consider a faster interface class. Otherwise, this model remains a dependable, high-value pick. Just apply the latest firmware and maintain a solid backup routine. Remember, click and buy. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description.